Okay, breathe. Sometimes you forget to do that, so do it now. What? Hey guys, what is up? It's Andrea and welcome to the andreaxsnaps channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Andrea and this is the channel. Also, if you guys are new here, you should go down and subscribe. Today, we're gonna be finishing up a little bit of a two-part challenge video that I've had going. So if you guys have not seen this video,
I'm looking for cool and different unique things that I think that she'll love.
Then you should go watch it right now. I'll link it down below. It's the part one where I have my mom buy my slimes. This is part two where my sister Stephanie, she's been in a few videos, she's gonna be buying my slimes today. So you guys have already seen my mom's slimes. My sister doesn't know as much about slime as my mom does. So I'm really curious to see what slimes she picked me. I don't know. Leave your guesses down below. Do you think it's gonna be good? Do you think it's gonna be bad? Do you think that I'm gonna find my new favorite slime? Because that would be really cool. But that is what we're doing today. So let's go see what she got me. First up, we have Fruity Slimes, and I have been wanting to order from her for forever, you guys. I'm really sad though because somehow they all leaked out on the way back here.
Wait, what?
No! This is the saddest thing that's ever happened to me, you guys. Oh my god, no. I got all of the slime off the bag and the containers at the best that I could, but where we once had a peach cobbler float, we now just have oat. She also bought me Georgia Peach lip gloss, which is super cute. I did have to reactivate it when I was trying to save it from the bottom of the bag, which is why it's so foggy. I'm doing my best here, okay? The second I opened it, I could definitely smell it. I know that Fruity Slimes are known for having like amazingly scented clears, and this one definitely did not let me down. It literally smelled exactly like sweet peaches, and before we ruined everything by spilling it, was crystal clear. I genuinely don't know how she does that with her clear slimes, but I am so jealous. Then we have Peach Cobbler Float, or better now known as Oat. And I think this one is a 6-ounce slime. So I think what's going on here, she mixed her best-selling scented clear slimes with like scoops of cloud or icy slime. I'm not really sure which one it is. And the result makes this look like some kind of avalanche slime, which I think is super fun. This one also smelled exactly like sweet peaches, which we stan, obviously, and mixes into like a semi-opaque jelly texture. I personally love the DIY jelly slimes because the texture definitely fluffs up so much, and they always give you the best sizzles. Then we have two of the same slime from Slamtastic Life, and I don't know what's going on here. Hold on, I'm calling Stephanie. So I guess we're gonna be reviewing two of the Winnie the Pooh slimes today. Oh, listen to that crunch. Nice. So this one feels like a school glue base with red foams in it to look like Winnie the Pooh, which is so cute. Mr. Pooh would be proud. I can't figure out the scent though. I'm kind of starting to think it's unscented because I keep smelling it and it kind of just smells like glue. But the bubble pops and the sounds on this one were really good. Guys, I kind of feel like Stephanie is doing better than my mom at buying my slime so far. Then we have Narwhal Slime, and Stephanie bought 3 of these for me. So we have Sea Green, Unicorn Love, and Strawberry Cupcake. So let's try Strawberry Cupcake first. It had like a super light pastry and frosting scent, and it looked like a glossy school glue kind of texture. It's a bit jiggly as well. It was a little bit underactivated, so I had to reactivate that. But overall, once it was all finished, I really loved the texture. It was so light and stretchy, and it was definitely great for poking. A little bit basic, but I think I like it. Then we have Unicorn Love, which is is a clay heavy and thick slime. It has a really delicious buttercream scent to it, and it felt so smooth and buttery. I loved playing with this one, and it made some super satisfying bubble pops. I'm not quite sure why this container is so empty, but the slime I got was really good. And finally, Steph bought me this clear-based slime called Sea Green. This one needed to be reactivated badly. Once that was done, it had a really nice and holdable texture, and I loved the addition of like the little fish charm and tons of glitters in this one. The glitter was definitely my favorite part, but this one also inflated a lot and made some really nice bubble pops, and you guys know we love the bubble pops. Stephanie is doing really good so far. Do you guys think the slimes she picked me are like better than the ones my mom picked out? Low-key, I kind of think they are, but definitely let me know what you're thinking down below. I am actually so excited about this next one. I have been meaning to order from Slime Jellies for forever. So the fact that Stephanie got one for me makes me so happy. This one is called Freak Shake, and it has a super cute DIY clay slice that you can mix in yourself. To be honest, I really love the thick and glossy base on its own. It even smelled like a cake milkshake, which was amazing, and I almost didn't want to mix the cake in. That's why I have a love-hate relationship with these DIY clay slimes, you guys. They are art, and it's like every time you have to mix them in, you're destroying all the hard work of the person who made it, but we did it for you guys. When it was all mixed in, it made a pretty heavy clay slime that inflated a ton. And finally, we have Fun Fatty Sherbert by Buster's Slime Company. I've never heard of them before, so I was super excited to try this. This one is a really pretty purple gloss slime. The color is definitely my favorite part of this one. It reminded me a lot of taro boba tea, which is one of my favorite things. So we stan. I think it was a combination of glues. It was really thick and really stretchy. So it was super good at bubbles and for poking. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys love seeing what kinds of slimes my sister thought I would love and picked out for me. If you guys haven't yet, you should definitely go watch part 1. I've linked it down below because I want you guys to decide who did it better, my mom or my sister. Who picked the better slimes? Definitely let me know your choice down below in the comments. Was it my mom or my sister that's the winner? I'll be in the comments for the first few hours to see what you guys think, so definitely come and hang out. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!